Okay, question 4. What determines the pitch of a sound wave? Frequency. State the name of a reflected sound wave. It's an echo. Clue was with the bat being there, so echolocation. This one said sonar. Bats don't use sonar. Dolphins use sonar. Sonar's for water. The bat emits a sound wave with a frequency of 25 kilohertz and a wavelength of 0.0136. Calculate the speed of this wave. Earlier in the paper you were given the equation, so hopefully you went back and looked at that. If not, you should know this one. So C equals F lambda. Write down your variables. You're trying to work out the speed, so you put C equals question mark. You know what the frequency is. You know that it's 25,000 because of the killer. So you're going to put 25 times 1,000 hertz. And the wavelength, so lambda equals 0.0136. And then all you need to do is say 25,000 times 0.0136, and that equals 340 meters per second. So you just make sure you write 340 in there. You got 1 mark for doing the conversion, and you got 1 mark for getting 340. If you got an answer of 0.3 something or another, you didn't do the conversion, you get 1 mark. Okay, next. Sound waves are longitudinal. Describe a longitudinal wave. Okay, so the most important thing about longitudinal waves are that the direction of oscillations is parallel to the direction of the energy transferred. So something along the lines of oscillation in that direction, going backwards and forwards, energy going parallel. So these two lines being parallel. And I'd be even tempted to draw that as a diagram and then write it into words here. That gets you 1 mark. The second mark was for describing the particles, okay? And again, if you want to, if your words fail you, you can draw a diagram. And all you need to say is that this creates areas where the particles are spread out, and areas where they are pushed together. And that scores the second mark. Now if you're feeling lazy, you can score that mark simply by describing these two with their correct name. So that area there is known as an area of compression. So that's the peak, that's the bit where the particles are pushed together. And this area here is called an area of rarefaction. And that's the areas where they're spread out. So you either got the mark for labeling them, for using the correct terms, creating areas of compression and rarefaction, or by describing it, or by having a diagram that is nicely labelled, okay? Any of those ways will get you the second mark.